In this video, how to use Clickup for marketing agency. I will show you step by step how to use Clickup for a marketing agency. First, go to the Clickup website or open the Clickup app on your phone. Log into your account using your email and password. If you do not have an account yet, click Sign Up to create one. After logging in, you will see the main Clickup dashboard. Now click the Create Space option to create a workspace for your agency. Give the space a name, for example, Marketing Agency. Click Continue to create the space. Inside the space, click Create Folder to organize departments. You can create folders such as social media, SEO, ads, or content. Now click on a folder and select Create List. Give the list a name, for example, Client Projects. Now click New Task to add a new project or task. Type the client name or campaign title. You can add a description with project details. Set a due date for the task deadline. Click the Date field to choose the deadline. Now assign the task to a team member. Click Assignee to select the responsible person. You can also set task priority. Choose low, medium, or high priority. Add subtasks to divide the project into smaller steps. This helps track project progress more easily. You can also use the calendar view. Click Calendar View to see deadlines and deliveries. Another option is using the Kanban board view. Click Board View to track task progress. This allows you to move tasks between stages like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Clickup helps organize clients, campaigns, and team tasks. This improves productivity and project management for the agency.